Can you help me with a Broan Nuton Bathroom fan?
Have you talked to an electrician about your Broan?
No.
How long has this been going on with your Broan unit? What have you tried so far?
Just installed. The light is on when the switch is off. When the switch is on, the light goes off and the fan goes on.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
I wired the white wires to tyhe white feed, the black to tyhe black, and the copper to the blue.
Welcome to Just Answer. Hello. My name is will be assisting you shortly. Please allow me a few moments to review your post and type my reply. What are all the colors of the wires in the electrical box, and how many switches are controlling the fan/light/heater, and what is the model number of the fan?
It is a Broan Nuton 770 RLTK. The fan has two white wires, one black and one blue. The wiring from the switch is standard black, white, and copper. I thought this help was $5.
There is a white wire connected to the switch? You can disregard the phone call offer for now as it appears automatically from John, not from the experts. If we are not able to resolve the problem during text/email, I will then suggest a phone call in order to better work through and resolve the problem. How many wires are connected to the switch?
To the switch. I am replacing an old one which died. I haven't opened up the switch. The switch controls the fan and the light. There is no heater.
Understand. Stand by.
The installation guide https://www.broan.com/Broan public website /media/Broan US_Canada/document/installation_guide/installation guide 770 RLTK 770 RNLTK.pdf. Ext=.pdf.
This model fan has the option of controlling the fan and the light plug-in receptacles in the fan unit, individually or together. If you have a single switch, both need to come on together. If you have two switches, then they are wired separately. Since you only have a black, white, and copper wire in the switch box, that means there are other wires in the ceiling or at the fan unit. If so, can you upload a clear photo so I can see how the wires have connected?
This is the instruction. There is no red wire. The fan has two whites, one black and a blue. I connected the two whites to the white feed wire, the black to the black, and the blue to the bare copper wire. I did not connect the bare copper to the box itself. Is this my problem? Wolfpack. I do not have dual control.
Yes, I have that wiring diagram. I am asking to see the wires in the ceiling so I can see what you have. In the meantime, remove the bare copper wire from the blue wire as that will be a direct short. The fan has a black wire going to the fan receptacle, a blue wire going to the light receptacle, and two white wires going to both receptacles.
It's going to take a minute.
The switch has two wires connected to it, a black wire and a white wire. Since there are no other wires in the switch box, this means the white wire is supplying power to the switch. It is not a neutral wire, and the black wire is the wire to connect the black and blue fan and light wires to. You will then need a white neutral wire, not the white wire going to the switch, and that neutral wire will connect to both the white wires in the fan, one for the fan receptacle and one for the light receptacle.
Customer attachment January 14, 2029 37 and 42 seconds p.m. This may be better.
Remove the blue wire from the ground wire. The ground wire will attach to the green screw. The blue wire will connect to the black wires. Are you able to upload a clear photo showing all the wires in the switch box and attach to the switch?
I moved the copper to the green screw and the blue and the black to the black.
Very good. Does everything work now?
Switch left and right. Customer attachment January 14, 2029 57 and 51 seconds p.m. Customer attachment January 14, 2029 57 and 51 seconds p.m. No black wires at switch. Just copper and white.
Okay, does the fan and light work?
Everything works correctly. Thanks a million.
You are most welcome, and please note that I am not an employee of JustAnswer. I'm a compensated independent expert, and a user of this site, just like you. Since this question has been answered, please take a moment and select the 5 stars before leaving today so I may receive full credit for assisting you. And as always, you can come back to this question anytime, even after it has been rated. Also, you may have seen other experts insisting on tips. For me, they are always earned and appreciated, never expected. Thank you very much for doing this, and enjoy the rest of your day, Dave.
5 stars.
Thank you very much.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.